everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the where clause, right? So first of all, I will simply click here on new query and it will open a new query window for us. I will close the previous one. So I'll simply close this, which is numbered 63. No. And we will work on query window, this is numbered 56, right? All right, sorry. So first of all, let's say there's a table that we have already created. So if I will expand this databases, and then the database that we are going to use is employee details. So tables. This is the table that we have to use, let's say that is employee record. So I will simply first of all drag this table and will drop it here in query window. And as of now, you can see that master DB is selected. So I will click here on the drop down and I will first of all select employee details because this table resides in employee details. And let's run a simple select star on this table. So press home key, then select star from this table. If I will execute it, you will see that this is the table that we have, right? So now let's say here you can see that in total, we are having a total of 6 records, right? But let's say we want to filter the records. Let's say we want to view the data only for employee ID 2. Then how we can achieve that? So after writing the select star from DBO employee records, we can simply write where employee ID. The moment you will type 2-3 characters, IntelliSense will show you these are the possible options that you can choose from. Employee ID is the column name. So drop down, click on the down arrow key, then again, and since the time this employee ID is highlighted in blue, press tab key, select it and provide the condition, select star from DBO employee records where employee ID is equal to 2. Now if I will select this statement and if I will execute it, you can see that the record number, only that record is generated where employee ID is equal to 2, right? So in that way, we can use where clause to filter the records in the data, right? And as of now, since we have written select star, so all the columns are being represented in the output. Let's say we want to view only employee ID and first name column. So in place of star, we can write, let's write another statement. So copy this and come to line number 5, Control V. And in place of star, since we only want employee ID and comma, and we want first name column as well. So we can simply write first name. And now we can execute this statement written in line number 5 and 6, select it and execute it. So you can see that only employee ID and first name column are being represented because we have specified it in place of star. So in that way, we can use where clause to filter the records that we have in our data, right? If we would like to take some more examples. So let's say, first of all, let's write select star to see the data. So select star from DBO dot employee records, select this table, press tab key, select the SQL code written in line 8 and execute it. And you will see that we have certain other columns. So let's say we want to view only those records where the salary is, let's say, greater than or equal to 75,000. So what we can do, we can simply write select star from DBO employee records where salary is greater than or equal to, copy the 75,000 from here, right click, copy, and just paste it here. Now execute the select statement written in line 8. And you will see that only those records are being represented where the salary is greater than equal to 75,000. Let's say we want to view only those records where salary is less than 75,000. So what we can do, we can simply copy it first of all, Control C. Let's come to line 10, Control V. And in place of greater than equal to, let's change the sign to less than. And if I'll select this statement written in line number 10, and if I'll execute it, you will see that these are the relevant records which are being represented. So In that manner, we can use where clause. Let's take one more example. Let's say we want to view only distinct records where salary is less than 75,000. So what we can do? We can copy this statement written in line 10. We'll come to line 12, and in place of select star, we will write select distinct star. So as of now, when we executed statement written in line number 10, you can see two records are there in the output, but these two records are identical, right? No, these are not identical because they have different employee IDs, right? So let's say we want to show only these four columns. So in place of star, I can write first name, last name, department, and salary in line 10. So we can write first name, last name, department, comma, salary from DBO employees where salary is less than, so I can simply press enter. I will now execute the statement written in line 10 and 11. If I will execute this statement, you will see that we have two records in the output, and these two records are exactly identical. Now we will write the same statement in line 13, but we want to find out the distinct records. So let's see that what is the difference in the output. So again, I will copy these four columns from line 10 and I will paste it in place of star in line 13, press enter, and now let's execute the statement written in line 13 and 14. So you will see that only one record is present there, available there in the output. Why? Because if we'll talk about the distinct record, then only one distinct record exists. That's why. If I will select the statements written in line 10, 11 and in 13, 14, and if I'll execute them together, so you will see that in the first output, two records are being shown. While since these two records are exactly identical, that's why in the second output, you can see only one record is being shown because we have used a distinct keyword here. So that was all about the where clause. We will take more questions and we will further, as the course progresses, we will try to cover more topics. We will try to take those questions where multiple topics will be covered, right? So we will take those questions as well. But in the beginning, let's take some examples to understand that what are the different concepts and what are the different keywords that we generally use. So I hope this video was helpful. In this video, we have discussed about the where clause. We'll discuss about other concepts in the upcoming session. So till then, thank you. Bye-bye.